And this is the transmission. The transmission is a hydraulic transmission, completely hydraulic. This transmission internally have actuator for forward, for reverse, but externally is composed for this. This is the pump. This is the pump. The pump. The pump suction the fluid from the reservoir and send the fluid to high pressure into the actuators internally in the transmission. Look at this. What is this element? The servo valves, and those are the solenoids. One solenoid for forward and other solenoid for reverse. Depending what solenoid I activate, the fluid goes in this direction or this direction, and the output shaft goes clockwise or counterclock. Nice, no? Pay attention. The customer said, "Hey, engineer, I only have forward, not reverse."
Check this one.
Go into the engine room. Check here. Pay attention. This is one solenoid for forward. You remember the solenoid? 85, 86, and the signal, no? And you have another solenoid for reverse. I removed both of them. No, they say that the forward is good. The problem is in reverse. Let me bring a couple of alligator cable with positive and negative. Negative in this and positive in the signal. And now engage forward. What is the meaning of that? The transmission is good. No, the transmission is good because, hey, activate reverse. Reverse. Let me put forward here. Forward. Okay, good. Probably this solenoid is damaged. Or probably, what is the name of this?
The sender.
The sender. Or probably the control in the console. Let me replace the solenoid for a new one. I put a new one. Solve it. The problem was the solenoid. Let me replace the solenoid. The problem continues. Okay, I am going to install another solenoid with new cable directly to the hand. Hey, operate. Okay. The problem was the sender. Nice, no? Other, what is this? The transmission of a Caterpillar engine. Transmission. What is this? The pump. What is this?
Servo.
The servo. And those are the solenoid. One for forward and other for reverse. From here you have one cable for forward and other cable for reverse. Nice, no? The fluid. One fluid is coming from, that's the heat exchanger for the fluid, and it's coming from the tank. And the other one is the return. That's not complicated. You have the same situation in different applications. This is another great example of a electrohydraulic unit with AC power. What is this? The reservoir for the oil. What is this? One for reverse and other for forward. What is this?
Directional valve.
The directional valve. And what is this? The motor. The
pump.
Reversible motor. AC motor, three-phase motor. How you reverse the rotation? When you switch two lines. Because this is AC.
Is that got contactors in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Contactors. Here in this box. Couple of contactors. Perfect. Motor reversible, servo valve, and reservoir. Other example. No? It's exactly the same. This is a typical actuator, no? This is a typical actuator. And this is the this is a motor, reversible motor, DC. You remember how you reverse the rotation in DC motor, high current?
Such polarity.
No, with low current, you reverse the polarity. With high current,
Contact.
with a couple of relays or the solenoid control box. I have a couple of relays here, one relay, two relays. The power enters in the middle of the relays, you remember? And one power goes to the green, other power goes to the blue, and the motor rotates in one direction or in the other direction.
Sparks down there. You got a spark in the battery level.
Yeah. Okay, that's the situation. This is the electrohydraulic unit. That's okay? Nice, no? All right, look at this. What is this? What type of system is this?
That's an inboard with a pod.
Inboard, outboard. This is a steam drive, no? And look at this. I have two actuators for trim the outdrive unit. Two actuators with one line, one port for and other port for, you see, in both sides. And those lines enter here in a electrohydraulic unit. Reservoir, body of valves, and motor with a couple of relays. And we are going to do the wiring of this, and we are going to understand how you connect this. With this central hydraulic unit or electrohydraulic unit, you can create millions of projects. In this case, move those actuators. In the other case, move the servo cylinder, you remember? In other case, you can move other actuator for part. With this, you can create the hydraulic system that you want. Nice, no? Yeah. Nice.